Hello, welcome back to Chaleese Bakes Cakes. Today we are making this super fun pumpkin sheet cake. I got this super cute pan at Joann's. I actually got it for $1 because I had coupons and some reward points, so definitely need to go to Joann's, get coupons. It's worth it. I saw this pan and I was like, oh man, we're making a pumpkin out of this because it's cute. So if you don't have this pan, you can just make a normal sheet cake. That's totally fine. Still using the same technique with our buttercream today. So I just wanted to make this cute guy and have you guys follow along. So we have our supplies. Obviously, we had to bake our cake. Make sure when you are baking this cake to put a whole lot of whatever you guys use for non-stick. I do shortening and flour. You can do whatever you want, but make sure that you get it in the crevices and all over so that your cake will come out, because sometimes they get stuck. If that does happen, you can piece it back together and you won't even be able to tell. So don't stress if it doesn't go perfectly, because nothing ever does, truly. So we need to bake our cake. Let's see what else we have. We have our buttercream. We're just doing vanilla buttercream today. I'm gonna change the colors here in a minute with you guys. We've got our piping bags we're gonna use today. So just Wilton. I'll talk about these in more detail in another video, but we've got piping bags. We've got our piping tips. I've got lots of different tips. Today we're just gonna go for it. We are going to frost and we're just gonna do lots of fun different designs on our pumpkin. I have with us right here, this is Wilton 4B. This is our Wilton 1M. 1M is my favorite tip. My favorite tips. I use these so versatile. You guys need to get some 1M tips because they are amazing. And my most favorite. My other favorite little tips, we've got, let's see, our Wilton 104, tip 104, and our Wilton tip 21. Any kind of tip will do, just versatile, whatever you have in your kitchen. We're just gonna make some fun things happen today. Also, I have sprinkles because you can't make this cake without sprinkles. We've got our sprinkles. We also have some fun, just some cute fun stuff. We're gonna do some really fun stuff today. So, I'm excited for you guys to follow along with me as we decorate this cute little pumpkin. Oh, we also need him. You've noticed him sitting down here, and here he is. He's adorable. I'll show you guys a close-up of him as we pipe and make him look cute. So let's get started, guys. Here is our little pumpkin friend. He's all baked and he's ready to be decorated. We have our piping bags here. I just have different tips, as you can see, different tips on each. These are actually both 1Ms because I really like, oh, I have a purple finger, sorry. Because I really like the 1M to start out with. And then we've got our 4B one, which I really like our 4B. So here we go. We're just gonna start piping and make some cute designs. As you're piping, you want to make sure to not use too much pressure. So as we go, we're gonna do a rosette. So we go around, and when we finish our rosette, we just lift, and there it is. Go around, lift, around, and lift. Good. Okay, and let's do another color, and then we'll make this go a little faster. So we're gonna make the stem green. Release pressure. Release that pressure. Good. Okay. This is my 4B tip. I also really like this tip as well. It's just kind of versatile and fun. So, same thing. Pressure. Release. Pressure, release. Pressure, release. Okay, as you can see, here's our pumpkin. We are finished with him, piping on him. Like I said, you can do it however way you want. There is no right or wrong way to make him. Now we just need to finish him off with a couple of sprinkles, some cute little things, just to make him a little spookier and maybe cuter. I don't know, I think we're going for cute with this one, so we'll just make him a little bit cuter. Thank you guys for joining me today in my kitchen as we decorated this super fun pumpkin sheet cake. Remember, you guys can do this too. Super easy, there's no right or wrong way to do it. Just fill up those piping bags and go to town. Decorate however you want to, and you will make a darling pumpkin or a spooky pumpkin, whatever kind of pumpkin you guys want to make. You can take it to your family parties this Halloween. Everybody will be like, oh my gosh, that looks amazing and so hard. And you'll be like, yeah, I can do this. Remember, I got this cute pan at Joann's. Go there, find cute stuff. I'm sure all their Christmas stuff's coming out, and oh man, I need to go too. So, I hope you guys had fun today. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, Chaleese Bakes Cakes. I'll be back for more fun soon. Thanks, guys.